Hello friends, today I am going to teach you topic phenols of class 12. Let's see phenols. What are the phenols? Phenols. The organic compound containing phenolic hydroxyl group which is directly attached to the benzene ring is called as phenols. This is the phenol. It is also called as benzenol. Okay. Let's see the preparation methods of phenols. तो दोस्तों हम आज देखने वाले हैं प्रिपरेशन मेथड्स ऑफ फिनॉल्स. फर्स्ट मेथड इज फ्रॉम chlorobenzene is also called as Dawes process. ओके तो यहाँ पे फिनॉल प्रिपेयर किया जा सकता है बाय यूजिंग स्टार्टिंग प्रोडक्ट एज अ क्लोरोबेंजीन. लेट्स सी द रिएक्शन ऑफ दिस क्लोरोबेंजीन. दिस इज द क्लोरोबेंजीन. कितनी 623 Kelvin, the presence of NaOH at 300 atmospheric pressure. What happened in this? Start. आणि HCl हा बाय प्रोडक्ट आहे. Sodium phenoxide. This is sodium phenoxide. यहाँ पे क्लोरोबेंजीन on reacts with sodium hydroxide in presence of 623 Kelvin temperature at 300 atmospheric pressure. It gives the sodium phenoxide. Again this sodium phenoxide on hydrolysis it gives phenol. ओके बाय प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे क्या आएगा NaCl. NaCl is a byproduct and we obtain this phenol. अब देखेंगे सेकंड मेथड, वो है फ्रॉम क्यूमिन. Cumin is the common name of this compound isopropyl benzene. This method is the commercial method, hence we use this method in preparation of phenols. This is the cumin. Cumin is also called as isopropyl benzene. This on reaction with cobalt naphthalene at 423 Kelvin temperature, it gives cumin hydroperoxide. यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे फर्स्ट वन इज़ द क्यूमिन, that is isopropyl benzene. On reaction with this oxygen molecule in presence of cobalt naphthalene at 423 Kelvin temperature, it gives cumin hydroperoxide, which again this react with dilute HCl. It gives phenol एंड बाय प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा यहाँ पे CH3C डबल बॉन्ड O, दैट इज एसीटोन. थर्ड प्रिपरेशन मेथड फ्रॉम बेंजीन सल्फोनिक एसिड, ये हम देखेंगे. Benzene sulfonic acid on reacts with NaOH, it gives the product that is SO3Na, sodium benzene sulfonate. Again this sodium benzene sulfonate on react with again NaOH in presence of 473 Kelvin temperature, it gives sodium phenoxide. This sodium phenoxide again on hydrolysis with dilute HCl, it gives phenol. Here we prepared the phenol from benzene sulfonic acid as a. Now last method of preparation of phenol from aniline. एनिलीन का स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, बेंजीन रिंग उस पे एक NH2 ग्रुप अटैच, दैट इज एनिलीन. एनिलीन ऑन रिएक्ट्स विथ HNO2 in presence of a nitrating mixture, that is NaNO2 plus HCl. This is combinedly called as nitrating mixture. At the presence of 273 Kelvin temperature, it gives diazonium chloride, that is N2Cl plus minus. This one is benzene diazonium chloride. This benzene diazonium chloride again hydrolysis H2, it gives H2O gives H plus and OH minus ions. This OH attacks on this carbon, this bond breaks and this Cl goes to this hydrogen. We get the phenol and byproduct N2 is removed as N2 gas and HCl removes and this is phenol. सो देखिए फ्रेंड्स, एनिलीन का यूज़ करके हमने लास्ट में फिनॉल ऑब्टेन किया. दिस इज़ द लास्ट मेथड ऑफ दिस प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फिनॉल्स.